Hi guys, welcome back to my short video series, or not so short, on Node and VS Code for steps. In this one, I'm just going to revisit functions, and some of the main purposes of functions are to do a bunch of processing in the background and return a result to you. So I just want to show you how in JavaScript we, return a value via a function. So I'll start writing the function up top. So function, and I'll call this DMS, decimal minutes, seconds to decimal degrees in that. So it's going to take in three parameters, degrees, minutes, and seconds. And the idea is that it will return to you the same value, but in decimal degrees. And so I guess I should set up, I'll call it in here, I should go let dd equal to not a number for now until I actually calculate a number. And then eventually I will return dd. And that's going to do a quick little calculation, that sort of thing, where I go, I should probably convert these all into numbers. So dd is equal to number, just in case I get sent text. Decimal degrees, degrees, plus minutes divided by 60. So number, plus seconds divided by 3,600 or 3,600. So seconds divided by 3,600. So there we go. That's about it. That's all I need to do to, I guess, prove that this is working and that sort of thing, or something to test. But the idea is that you send the value back using the return statement. And if JavaScript doesn't see a return statement, then it doesn't really worry about it. It just says, okay, this particular function does not return anything. So let's, out in our main part here, we'll set some variables. We can do, for now, const. We'll call it our degrees out here. I'll call it m for main degrees, m degrees. So it's different than the one in the function. And we'll say it's minus 123. Ooh, I didn't actually quite test for that. That's okay. Minus 123. Might have to do abs on all these so it doesn't get messed up. Right now, we'll just test with 123 to see if it's kind of working. And that looks good. Const, and we'll go m minutes. So if we make it 30 minutes, we know we should get about 0.5 right in there, and then we'll get some change. And that's 30 minutes, and that, and 30 seconds. We'll go const. I'll put some semicolons in. M seconds. We'll make that 30 as well. Semicolon, semicolon. 30 seconds. Yes, I like that. And then we simply go const. We'll call it mdd is equal to DMS. And we'll just go m degrees, m minutes, and m seconds. And then let's go print console. I think I'm in Python again, or one of my other videos. Console.log m. I guess it should be dd. We'll go dd up here because that is decimal degrees. The only thing to do now is just test this. Hopefully it should work. Run, well, start terminal, node.main.js. And we got an answer. We knew it'd be around a half because it's 30 minutes is about half of an hour. So I'm feeling good about that. That's actually converting properly. I would have to do something if this, I would have to figure out if this was negative in the real world and not add these on stuff. That could really mess things up in that. So I have to put a little bit more brains in here to handle negative coordinates so that we don't throw them off. But that's just to show you a simple conversion, right? How do we do that? We take the data in, do whatever process that we want in the end, but this is how we send it back via the return statement. And then we just use it like any other function, but what we're typically doing is going variable is equal to whatever the return value is. So that's all what I want to show you in this video, just a simple return statement in a function. Bye for now.